Supplier quality management, factory audits, technical training, and global supply chain excellence. Welcome back. In part 2, we discussed the railway manufacturing process, international management systems, inspection activities, material testing, NDT, and quality assurance. In this part, we will explore another critical aspect of railway manufacturing, supplier quality management and global supply chain excellence. See, modern railway manufacturing depends on thousands of suppliers working together to produce safe, reliable, and high quality products. A single defective component can affect the performance of an entire railway system. That is why managing suppliers and maintaining quality through the supply chain has become a top priority for railway manufacturers worldwide. The importance of the railway supply chain. Every railway coach, locomotive, metro train, or freight wagon consists of thousands of components manufactured by different suppliers. These include steel plates and structural sections, wheels and axles, bogies, bearings, couplers, brake systems, suspension components, electrical cables, switch gear and control panels, traction motors, gearboxes, HVAC systems, passenger seats, doors and windows, fasteners, rubber components, paints and protective coatings, electronic control systems, signaling equipment, communication devices. Each supplier plays a vital role in delivering a safe and reliable railway product. If one component fails to meet quality requirements, it can delay production, increase costs, create warranty issues, and affect customer satisfaction. Therefore, a successful railway manufacturers invest significantly resources in supplier qualification, supplier development, and continuous performance monitoring. Supplier qualification and vendor evaluation. Before approving a supplier, manufacturers conduct a comprehensive evaluation. This process ensures that suppliers have the ability to consistently deliver products that meet customer specifications and international standards. Supplier qualification typically includes review of manufacturing capabilities, evaluation of production capacity, assessment of quality management systems, review of technical expertise, verification of inspection facilities, evaluation of testing laboratories, assessment of calibration systems, review of previous project experience. Financial stability assessment, environmental and occupational safety compliance. Only suppliers that successfully meet these requirements become approved vendors. However, supplier management does not stop after approval. Continuous monitoring is essential to maintain consistent quality and performance. Supplier audits. Supplier audits help manufacturers evaluate whether vendors continue to comply with contractual, technical, and quality requirements. These audits may be conducted annually or before major projects. During a supplier audit, auditors evaluate production planning, incoming material inspection, manufacturing controls, welding process, heat treatment procedures, calibration systems, inspection and testing activities, document control, traceability systems, employee competence, equipment maintenance, corrective and preventive actions, risk management, continuous improvement activities. Supplier audits identify potential risks before they become major quality problems. They also help suppliers improve their manufacturing processes and strengthen long-term business relationships. Factory audits. Factory audits provide customers with confidence that manufacturing facilities operate according to international standards. A factory audit generally covers infrastructure, production facilities, machinery and equipment, quality control laboratories, material shortage, welding workshops, assembly lines, environmental controls, occupational health and safety, inspection equipment, calibration systems, documentation, production records. Factory audits help identify opportunities for operational improvement while ensuring compliance with customer expectations. Risk management in railway manufacturing. Risk management has become an essential element of modern manufacturing. Every railway project involves technical, operational, commercial, and supply chain risks. Examples include delayed material deliveries, equipment failures, welding defects, supplier performance issues, design changes, production delays, non-conforming products, documentation errors, transportation damage. Successful manufacturers identify these risks early and implement preventive actions. Effective risk management reduces operational delays, minimizes quality issues, and improves customer satisfaction. Corrective and preventive action (CAPA). Whether quality issues occur, organizations must identify the root cause rather than simply correcting the visible problem. This is where corrective and preventive action, commonly known as CAPA, becomes essential. A structured CAPA process includes problem identification, immediate containment, root cause analysis, corrective actions, preventive actions, verification of effectiveness, documentation, continuous monitoring. By implementing effective CAPA systems, manufacturers continuously improve their product and processes. Then next is continuous improvement. The world's leading railway manufacturers never stop improving. Continuous improvement focuses on increasing efficiency, reducing waste, improving productivity, and enhancing product quality. Examples include lean manufacturing, Six Sigma methodologies, Kaizen initiatives, process optimization, digital manufacturing, automation, robotics, artificial intelligence, predictive maintenance, data-driven decision making. Continuous improvement not only reduces costs but also strengthens competitiveness in global markets. Technical training and competency development. Technology in the railway industry continues to evolve rapidly. Employees must regularly update their knowledge and technical skills. Professional training helps engineers, inspectors, supervisors, auditors, and technicians stay current with industry standards and best practices. Important training areas include ISO management systems, ISO/TS 22163, IRIS, internal auditor training, lead auditor training, welding inspection, non-destructive testing, root cause analysis, risk assessment, supplier quality management, process auditing, quality tools, manufacturing excellence, health, safety, and environmental management. A skilled workforce is one of the strongest assets of any successful railway organization. The role of URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. At URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited, we understand the challenges faced by railway manufacturers, EPC contractors, OEMs, component suppliers, and global supply chain partners. Our experienced team works with organizations to strengthen quality systems, improve operational performance, and ensure compliance with international standards. Our services include ISO 9001 Quality Management System Certification Support, ISO 14001 Environmental Management System Support, ISO 45001 Occupational Health and Safety Management System Support, ISO/TS 22163 IRIS Management System Support. Third-party inspection services, supply audits and vendor assessments, factory audits, manufacturing process audits, material inspection, welding inspection, mechanical and metallurgical testing coordination, non-destructive testing support, factory acceptance test, FAT witnessing, site acceptance test, SAT witnessing, pre-shipment inspection, documentation review, technical training programs, quality improvement consulting, supply chain quality monitoring. Our mission is to help manufacturers deliver safe, reliable, and internationally compliant railway products while improving efficiency, reducing risks, and enhancing customer confidence. Supporting railway projects worldwide. The railway industry is truly global. Manufacturers supply products for passenger rail, metro systems, freight corridors, industrial railways, mining operations, ports, logistics hubs, and high-speed rail networks across many countries. Regardless of project size or location, customers expect consistent quality, complete documentation, and full compliance with international requirements. By partnering with experienced certification, inspection, and technical service providers, organizations can strengthen their competitiveness and build long-term trust with customers around the world. transition to part 4. In the final part of this series, we will discuss the future of railway manufacturing, digital transformation, sustainability, smart manufacturing, emerging technologies, and how organizations can prepare for the next generation of railway engineering. We will conclude with key recommendations and a final message on why quality, compliance, and continuous improvement are essential for long-term success in the global railway industry. Please like and subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you.